Hi guys, welcome to the new video of the Reality Tech. Well, today we are going to do something really surprising. This video is brought to you by Wrapcart. They have recently sent us a new wrap for our phone, using which we are going to convert our Poco X2 into brand new Oneplus Mclaren Special Edition. Well, this is what you get in the wrap case, the main wrap. Alongside it, there is a quick manual about the steps to apply this, and then there are two wipes, step 1 and step 2. That you have to apply before you apply the main wrap. For ordering this, you can visit wrapcart.com for the wraps. There we go. So first of all, like the usual thing, the feel looks quite good. The paper quality is quite better. So this is how you're going to apply the skin. First of all, as I said, there are two steps that you will have to go through. First is the wet wipe. This cleans your phone, so this is what I'm going to do. Just take it away. Okay, so yes, this is a wet wipe. I can feel it on my hand, so as you can see it on your screen as well, it's a wet wipe using which we can clear the surface. It's very important to clear the surface. Do not directly apply the wrap on the phone itself. The chances of air bubbles can really degrade your experience. Then second one is the dry wipe. Let's use that quickly. There you go. This basically just unifies the surface of your phone. Don't forget to clean on the sides as well, as this wrap will cover your phone on almost all sides, not just the back one. So this is how my phone looks like after I have cleaned it. Well, I don't usually do it though, but then yeah, that's fine. So yes, this is how you're going to apply. You have to apply it from the bottom. I repeat, you have to apply it from the bottom of the phone. Unlike the screen guards or the covers that we usually apply, you have to start applying this from the bottom of your phone. So I will remove it. Do not remove it quickly. Do not remove it entirely. Just the end part, you have to match it alongside your phone. Okay, this is going to be a tricky task, but let's see. Be very careful about this moment. Do not make any mistake, and the chances of air bubbles are quite high, so you have to be very careful. You can take help of your friend. I would insist you to take help of one of your friends to get this done, because I can see managing it is a tough task for now. But that's how. Make sure, I repeat, make sure you don't make any mistake over here. Make sure that everything is intact. It completely fits your phone. That's how you want to do, and then it's going to be an easy task. Not that easy although, but then you just have to peel off the sticker and then keep on pressing. When you're applying this cover on the phone, make sure you press it nicely. Apply enough pressure so that the air bubbles, there are no chances, because if you have air bubble, it's going to be really difficult for you to get rid of that. So when you are applying, sorry for my head though, when you are applying, you have to take utmost care, apply utmost pressure. As you can see, as I'm doing, there is no air bubble. Oh my god, this is looking beautiful. Here I would suggest you to use your hair dryers. When you are applying it on the sides, use hair dryers to have a complete fix. Make sure of the air bubbles again. Applying hair dryer just enhances the glue or the sticky nature of the product. So apply heater, and there we go. It's easy when you apply the end structure. If you take care about it, then it's going to be really easy for you to apply the entire structure on your phone. But I would still suggest to take a help of friend. That will just make it easier and will save you a lot of time. But yeah, you can do it by yourself. It's not that hard a task. There you go. On the sides as well, it looks finished as a polished stone. Let's go on the top and the bottom edges of the phone. Make sure that you don't hit your phone for too long. You may end up damaging the phone. I'm using hair dryer on a mild speed. There we go. On the top, the side edges. Make sure that you don't leave any spaces. Make sure that it's completely fixed. That's how it's gonna look like. I'll just fix all the bottom edges. Yeah, there we go. Now that's much better, much better. Avoid having wrinkles over there. It's tough to apply it, but then make sure that you don't have any wrinkles, or else that will completely ruin your experience. Who would believe, you tell me about this, who would believe that this is not a OnePlus phone, this is actually a Poco X2? But then look at the magic from the wrap cart. This is seriously awesome. Like from a distance of social distancing perspective, nobody would even judge about it. This looks like a legit OnePlus stone. Okay, so once again, just check the air bubbles that you haven't left any. Apply hair dryer on all the surface of the phone so that it again enhances your experience. Clean it up because it might get sticky when you're applying it. You can clean it with a dry piece of cloth. That's how it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it amazing? It looks like a brand new OnePlus Mclaren Special Edition. Do not forget to apply the camera cover as well. You get it along with the phone, along with the wrap that is been sent to us by the wrap cart. There you go. That's all. You just have to apply it. Be very careful about it when you apply the camera cover. Once you are done with it, just have a look at it. Now that seriously looks like a OnePlus phone right now. Well, also to enhance the experience, I will suggest you to have a transparent phone cover that will just make it look like a brand new phone. Thanks for watching this video. Do let us know your comments down and do not forget to subscribe.
Let it go.